Imagine a world where a teenager can launch a global brand from a bedroom. A freelancer can build a thriving company using just a laptop. A small team can compete with giants that once needed thousands. Are we witnessing the dawn of the greatest generation of entrepreneurs? Technology, social media, and global connectivity are changing who can start a business. They are redefining how businesses are built. In this video, we will explore who the next generation of entrepreneurs will be, the opportunities before them, and the skills they need to succeed. Starting a business used to require significant money and resources. Physical locations and large teams were once mandatory. But today, digital tools have broken down many barriers. Now, anyone can test an idea online. They can reach customers through digital platforms and build an audience before launching a large company. Yet, more opportunities also mean more competition. It's easier to start, but to stand out, businesses must offer genuine value. Remember, while technology has made entrepreneurship accessible, success requires solving real problems. Technology is empowering small entrepreneurs like never before. Tools such as cloud software and automation enable individuals and small teams to achieve more. Imagine a small business owner who once needed multiple employees. Now, they handle tasks with automated systems and digital communications. The next generation doesn't need larger teams, they need smarter systems. Artificial intelligence is emerging as a powerful business partner. AI can assist with research, customer support, and workflow automation. However, using AI won't guarantee success. The real opportunity lies in leveraging technology to solve specific problems. Successful entrepreneurs will need to understand both technology and people. Remember, the winners may not just use AI, they will use it to create meaningful value. Global access is another game changer. The internet enables even small businesses to reach broad audiences. A digital product or online service can serve customers across borders. But targeting international markets means understanding diverse customers and cultures. Aspiring entrepreneurs should think beyond local parameters while starting with specific issues. Small ideas can begin locally but have the potential for global reach. Now, let's talk about the rise of the creator entrepreneur. Creators are building audiences around knowledge, entertainment, and expertise. Those audiences become the foundation for products, services, and sustainable businesses. But trust is crucial. The future entrepreneur might build their audience before establishing a traditional company. Attention creates opportunity, but trust nurtures a lasting business. The next generation increasingly supports businesses with purpose. They want companies to tackle meaningful problems and create real value. Think about opportunities related to education, accessibility, and sustainability. A great business idea often begins with a simple question. What problem do people face repeatedly, and how can I help? The strongest businesses are built around solving real issues, not just following trends. Entrepreneurship is transforming to be more flexible. It doesn't necessarily mean quitting your job to start a massive company. Today, people can test ideas through side projects, freelancing, and digital offerings. Starting small allows for feedback and gradual improvements. View entrepreneurship as a skill and mindset, rather than a singular career path. You don't need to start big. You can begin by learning to create value. Let's discuss essential skills for future entrepreneurs. Problem-solving, communication, sales and marketing, financial literacy, adaptability, technology awareness, leadership, creativity, decision-making. Entrepreneurs don't need to master everything at once. They can develop skills gradually and collaborate with others who excel in different areas. The ability to learn may become one of the most critical entrepreneurial skills. But let's balance the conversation. Entrepreneurship has challenges often overlooked. Consider increased competition, short attention spans, and technological changes. Social media drives pressure and unrealistic comparisons. Entrepreneurship often involves failure and slow progress behind the scenes. Don't compare your beginning to someone else's highlight reel. Remember, entrepreneurship isn't about appearing successful, it's about building something valuable over time. So, how can you start preparing today? First, learn to identify problems. Notice frustrations in daily life. Next, develop useful skills. Pick one valuable skill and practice it often. Don't wait for the perfect idea. Initiate small projects and gather insights from each experience. Also, learn fundamental financial concepts. Understand revenue, costs, and responsible risk management. Use technology wisely. Explore new tools but avoid chasing every trend. Finally, build relationships. Connect with people, engage customers, and surround yourself with supportive individuals. Small actions taken consistently lead to significant growth over time. As we wrap up, let's bring everything together. The future may present more opportunities for new business creators. But opportunity alone doesn't guarantee success. The next generation will be those who blend technology, creativity, financial understanding, and genuine problem-solving capacity. It won't be about who has the most money or followers, but those who recognize opportunities and act swiftly. The next generation of entrepreneurs isn't waiting for the future, they are learning and building today. The future belongs not just to those who foresee it, but to those brave enough to build for it. What problem do you want to solve? What kind of business could you start today? If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe to Finance Flow, and turn on notifications for more insights on business and entrepreneurship.